Okay, so I'm about to go out to eat with my friend soon. I'm like, well, my friend asked me to get wine with him tonight because they have like $3 wine pours wherever we're going. So I was like, well, I don't want to drink something super sugary because wine tends to have a lot of sugar. So I Googled, what is the lowest calorie wine you can drink? And it suggests like dry wines like Pinot Grigio, Sauvignon Blanc, and Merlot were the 3 that I read about. So I just thought that was interesting. Just wanted to share. All right, I'm on my way to hang out with my friend Biddle. It's really hot in my car. I'm gonna have to pull my hair up. So I thought about putting my top down because if you're new to my channel, I actually have a convertible and I haven't had my top down in like a week and a half. It's just way too hot this week. I haven't even been able to like put it down in the evening when I go somewhere because it's like almost 6. Sun is still high in the sky, no clouds, and it's, let's see, it's probably like 94. Okay, so I just pulled into the plaza that this restaurant's at, and it reminds me that I took my driver's license test at this BMV that's in this plaza here, and I failed my, not only the maneuverability course, but also the driving portion. I failed both. I guess the instructor really hated my guts. He was such a jerk, and I cried so hard on the way home. And the only reason I wanted to get my license so bad was because there was a boy's house that I wanted to drive to, and I didn't want to seem lame and have my mom come take me because I was 18 and he was 27, so that would have been really weird. Anyway, I'm here with my friend now. Gotta go. Should we do it cheers?
Let's do a cheers.
All right, cheers. To crazy people.
To crazy.
Oh, that's good.
That's really good.
I don't remember what. I know, we're at the sports bar and they have $3 wine pours, which I think I already said earlier. It's called Puckers. I've been here before. I'll show you the restaurant. So this is like the, what do you call this? The dining area, and then obviously the bar is over there, and then there's like a second dining area over there. And then behind Biddle, we have a really nice fern or palm tree. I'm not really sure which one. So I'm from the restaurant, and I wanted to open my Ulta package with you guys. That's why I have a knife in my hand, so I can open it. Okay, so first, I got another double duty beauty shape tape. That's how they say it. A double duty beauty. That's how influencers talk. I don't know. I just felt like I should say it like that. This is the shade. I don't think I've ever tried this shade. It's the shade Light Beige. Maybe I have tried it. Actually, that sounds familiar. Light Beige. I feel like I've tried that before. Should we swatch it? No? I'm switching it. Light Beige. Yeah, this is what my mom said I should do. This is the new Urban Decay palette. It's the ultraviolet one. I'm really excited. I saw this on an Instagrammer's story, and I was like, I've got to have it because purple eyeshadow is my favorite. Here's what it looks like. Ooh, it's so pretty. Isn't it pretty? Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh. Wow. Gorgeous. Can you see it? Do you like it?
I do.
It's pretty. I want to see what the pink shade looks like. Because that's the first one that I saw when I opened it. I'm not going to get it on your couch, Mom.
Fallout. You'll get it on my couch.
It's super pretty. Can you see it? Oh no, I forgot to show you guys my outfit of the day. I'm wearing my little Zara dress. And I have all of my clothes in here with me because I'm gonna try to go to the Ulta today after work. And then also I have some stuff that needs dry cleaned. So that's the plan for today. I have to call them and make sure that like what their policies are with the virus and everything. I'm thinking I might have to like make an appointment for the Ulta place, but who really knows. Also, my hair is super frizzy this morning, so that's awesome. And it's already 82 degrees. I don't believe that. I think it's way hotter than that. It feels like it's already 90. Okay, I'm home. I'm doing a workout. I just finished day 2. Well, I have one more video, but I did the plank challenge from Chloe Ting's new 3-week ab challenge program, and then I did the 14-minute HIIT workout that was scheduled for today. And next is a leg and booty workout. Do you guys like seeing my Chloe Ting workouts? Because I feel like I show them in every vlog, and I don't want to like show something that people are like, oh my gosh, this is so boring, I wish she'd not show it, or just show something else. So if you want to see like time lapses or just like little clips of me doing workouts, because I do them almost every day, but like I don't want to bore people, let me know. I really just have fallen in love with Chloe Ting's workouts, and it's just become part of my daily life now. So I just am curious what you all think about having them in vlogs. If you don't like having them, just don't comment. But if you like them, let me know. And if I get enough comments of people liking them, I'll start including them in my vlogs again. But for now, I'm just not really going to show much. So I'm going to do this leg workout. And then I will talk to you guys after. I think I'm actually going to show this because it's a new workout, and I like to watch myself do the workouts. So this is what happens when I work out with a full face of makeup on, because my eyeshadow and eyeliner is so smudged, and I don't normally wear like eye makeup and then sweat like that, so other than when I used to dance. So I'm surprised that like I touched my face as much as I did, but it was like I didn't have a sweat towel. Normally that would probably stop me from touching my eyes so much, but anyways, I am going to roll up my yoga mat, take a shower, and then eat some dinner because I'm starving. Okay guys, so I'm making a veggie wrap, and this is, what is this? Cream cheese and ranch dressing, and I just like spread it like that, and then I take some broccoli, put it on there like that. This is like the veggie pizza I made, but in a wrap form. I made like a cauliflower veggie pizza a few days ago.
I love veggie pizza.
I know, so good. It's just really hard to film and do this at the same time. And I also brought some shredded carrots. There we go. Perfect. Hey everybody. So, I don't know if I vlogged today yet or not, but I returned to you from my bedroom floor working out, and I brought my fan in here today because I've been dying every day, and like from being hot. I mean, obviously I'm already tired as it is. Also, I just did the plank challenge, and it was extremely hard. I mean, the other 2 days that I've done it were hard too, but today, like, my shoulders were burning really bad. Like, right here. And, like, in my bicep, like, right here. Mostly, like, in the front of my shoulders, though. So, that made it a little hard to get through. So, next I have a flat tummy challenge. So, I'm really nervous because I don't know. It's just, I'm just nervous. But I will say that I've noticed a difference in my abs. I just feel like I get stronger and stronger every day that I work out, which is obviously something that I knew would happen. So it's really nice to know that my results and my my hard work is worth it. So I forgot my water downstairs. I need to go grab that. Good afternoon, everybody. Today is Saturday. I look a little bit not my best, but I actually just got up at 11, and last night I was up till like 4. I went out with a couple friends. It was a lot of fun, but I'm super tired. I'm so glad that I've been doing vlogmas in July because I don't have to film a video on Saturdays right now. All I have to do is vlog. Normally I'll film like a clothing haul or a styling video or a makeup video, something, you know, and I already did like a little boohoo haul last week. I filmed that, so I don't have to even worry about it. It's kind of weird because I've had like all these videos like that I had to film for weeks and weeks, and now like there's just nothing. So I guess it's kind of time to start planning like back to school hauls and fall content, and it's just kind of weird to think about it like that. I mean, I know it's very early in the game to be discussing that, but like it's sort of true, you know? I don't have anything planned for today really, other than I think I'm gonna go see my friend. He's a server at this restaurant kind of close to my house. It's a nicer restaurant. It's called 91. I just want to go and see him. I haven't seen him in a while, and he's working tonight, so I'll probably go over there for a little while, and then that's pretty much all I have planned, which that isn't even really anything exciting. And I'm planning on going for a walk today because it's actually very cool outside, so I'm gonna do that instead of a Chloe Ting workout because I want to enjoy like the nice weather while we have it. Well, I mean, it's been nice, but like it's not hot and it's not raining, so I have to take advantage of that and go for a walk. And I might like sit outside and read. So it's gonna be a really chill day. I haven't had a chill day in a very, 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 very long time. And I'm not trying to be a chatty Cathy right now, but I also did not sleep at all last week. And I was still pretty productive. Like right now I'm editing vlogs and I'm like, wow, I was like pretty productive, you know? So yeah, that's pretty much it. I also want to put some makeup on and take a few Instagram photos today because I posted all of the photos last week that I wanted to post. So I need some new ones now. So I need to get some Instagram content. But that to me is so much easier than like filming a clothing video or a styling video. So let me know what kind of styling videos you guys want to see. I love styling ideas. I also want to do another celebrity thrift flip outfit ideas. Let me know what celebrity you'd like to see. One time somebody suggested Billie Eilish, which would be pretty easy to do at the thrift shop, I feel like. So maybe just for fun, I'll look up her outfits. And I also need some more ideas, though, because Billie Eilish is, I don't know. I'm not sure if I want to do Billie Eilish or not. So, yeah, just let me know in the comments. So I want to eat a low-calorie lunch, so this should be interesting. I'm up with goldfish and a little flatbread sandwich. Turkey and tomato. Okay, so it's a little later in the day, as you could probably tell, because I'm wearing a full face of makeup now, and I am getting ready to go to dinner at this restaurant called 91. I think I might have mentioned it earlier. It's a nicer restaurant here in Canton, and I'm just like fixing up my hair right now, and I'm gonna take a couple pictures before I go. So I'm just fluffing my hair a little bit, and then I'm gonna put some lipstick on. And God, this like one section of hair right here always gets all tangled around each other. It's so annoying.